Kenneth from Southwest Houston has a question about dust in his house.
Well, they're building an addition, and that's where the problem began, Tom.
Yeah.
He writes, we're building an addition to our one-story house, and the foundation for the addition was poured 2 inches too high. They
Really?
didn't know this. Yeah, they didn't know this until they finished the
So
outside
they tripped
walls.
over a 2-inch step.
And
Okay.
I'm thinking 2 inches. That's,
You'll
Anyway,
notice that.
God bless him. Anyway,
Yes.
I'm betting he's not building with a Home Show Pro. Just
I
saying.
bet also they poured the slab before they took the wall down, so they didn't see the 2-inch difference.
Oh, okay,
Oh,
yeah.
they forgot the brick ledge and all that stuff. Okay.
Okay. All right. Well, there you go. Now his problem is they had 2 inches too much concrete, right? So they
Right.
ground it down 2 inches.
Wow.
Yeah. Well, now he says my attic is covered with concrete dust, and I'm fearful that dust is hazardous. What do I do? I haven't brought it up with the contractor because I don't know enough. I'm afraid he's just going to say, it's not a problem. So what I want to know, is there somebody with legal authority to tell him it's a problem, or is this some kind of violation of some kind? What are his options, Tom?
I don't know of any legal authority that's going to tell him, hey, go up there with a vacuum and vacuum all the dust out of the attic when in there. I can tell you this, because it's concrete, it has sand in it. Sand is silica. And if you had a doctor or a medical professional here, they would say if you breathe enough sand, it gets in your lungs will not discharge it. That's why you have to be careful when you're cutting hardy and not breathing all the dust. And, you just wear a little mask like we're doing now for other reasons, but it's just simple PPEs. But as far as that goes, it can be harmful if you get enough in your body. Will he, by having it in the attic? I don't know. Would I ask the contractor to send someone up there with a HEPA filter, vacuum cleaner, and try to vacuum as much as they can out? Probably.
Yeah.
Keep it simple. Don't make you don't have to disinfect the house with, call people in. But I would have someone come in and vacuum. And if the contractor can't do it, we have a great sponsor that could do that. It's Rouse Restoration. They have that kind of equipment, right? Because they do restoration. They could probably go up there and that attic would probably be spotless when they got done with it. But it depends how much money and how intricate you want to get into the project.
I wonder if it isn't something Cutting Edge couldn't do with their dustless system. Go up there and
I know that's the floors. I don't know if they have a vacuum like that, though.
Yeah. Okay, well, Rouse would be the choice then. Yeah.
Rouse has all that vacuum equipment because they vacuum water. They vacuum a lot of stuff.
All right, so that's the way to go. And the big answer, the part of this answer, Tom, and I'm glad you said it, is work it out. You don't need to go all legal beagle on things, because that's just not, all that's going to do is make the lawyers rich.
Yeah, nobody's going to win on that one.
Exactly.
You know how many lawsuits there are right now? Everybody's suing everybody because they have nothing to do. I saw a whole show on it last night. They're suing one guy, the other suing the other guy. Come on, guys, just let it go. We got to get back to work,
We just need more love. All right.
Yeah.
You love good answers? We can help you with those. Go visit HomeShowRadio.com. Click on that Ask Tom button right there on the homepage. Fill out the form, send it in. Your question will come out here just like this. And not only will we put them on our website and our YouTube channel, we post them on our Facebook page too. And if you haven't followed us there, we'd sure appreciate it.